Alright.
You gonna put it right there?
Yeah, I guess so.
You gonna throw it above us?
No, we're gonna drop it down.
We're gonna drop it down.
There ain't no way that thing's going above me.
What?
I wouldn't stand underneath that thing.
No, I wouldn't either. Dang it, it won't stay. Alright, that'll be good enough. You'll just hear it. You probably won't even see it. It's too dark. Alright, let's do this.
We'll hold the ladder for you.
How long does it record for?
I gotta get up here like this. I can't stand on that.
The whole time?
Yeah. My balance is off. What if this thing collapsed? Oh! See, watch the nails up here. I'm getting every one of them.
Oh, no. I don't know if I can climb this after my knee injury.
Now there's some nails up here, bro. You can pull that one out.
Okay, my phone's still there. It hasn't fallen. I hope it don't damage the phone. Oh, my knee. Alright, let's hurry up and do this.
Hold on.
It's gonna be loud. I'm telling my ear. For sure. This time. I don't think I did last time.
Did you not?
Yeah. Maybe we should just do one at a time.
Go ahead.
Just make sure. This one's the loudest.
No, let's do this one first then.
Okay.
Get it out of the way.
Okay.
Hold it, Jeff.
I'll do it right after that one. Make sure it goes down in there.
There it went.
Oh, bad. It kind of shot out. This one's going to be rough, boy.
Oh, Lord.
Oh,
Oh,
good, Manny.
What the freak, dude?
I'm going to throw up. Snot's coming out. Throw up.
That was plays up there, dude.
Crying. It's stinging my eyes.
I wish I could have videotaped me flying off that fence.
We got a video down there, boy. We have to watch that. I'm going to show that to people. No, stop fire. Oh, man, it turned.